If you get buffering on the Amazon Firestick, here's something you could try that might fix it. And don't forget, if you've got a Firestick, drop us a follow. We've got loads of helpful videos to come. Right, so previously I've made a few videos about buffering on the Amazon Firestick, and if you've tried all those things and it's still happening, here's something you can try. So on your Firestick home screen, go across the settings on the far right hand side and go down to where it says display and audio. Once you click on this, go down to where it says display, and then once we click on that, you've got the video resolution. Now, this is something you can do inside streaming apps as well. You can turn off HDR and stuff, but if I click on video resolution, at the moment it's set to automatic, which is 4K, but if I scroll down this list, I can change it so it only does up to 1080p or 720. Now if I click on say 1080p, give it a couple of moments, it's going to ask me to confirm. Then that's now dropped the video quality. Now yes, it will be 1080p not 4K, so the picture won't be as crisp, but you do tend to get more buffering the higher the resolution is, especially if you've already tried all the fixes and it's still happening. But yeah, it's just one of those things that people can try, and I hope that video helped.